today's the day. 6 months in the waiting. I've been waiting for this day for a long time, and the heads are finally here. So I started mocking up some stuff, and I'm going to show you some differences in the old heads to the new heads, and I'm really excited. So let me show you what I got going on. First things first, let's get this out of the way. These are the old heads. They were Mofoco 042s. They were nothing but a nightmare since I first got them. I had to clearance all the fins because there was no, see where the light's coming through? I did all that. I clearanced all that because they were horrible and they were closed up. Some of the holes weren't even opened at all. See how there's 3 holes here? Well, 1, 2, 3. There was only 2, and it was not good. Check this out. Look at that. Look how open that is. Look how nice that's going to breathe. I mean, you can actually see the ports. Look at that. Awesome. Compared to this, there's just no comparison. None. Just unbelievable, the difference. That is just awesome. I am so happy with these. The other thing that was scaring me about these heads was this right here. See that parting line? That parting line goes all the way down to the valve seat, and that's pretty scary. And I'll show you the new ones. They are beautiful. No crazy parting line, nice and smooth transition. The milling on this head is 1,000 times better. It's night and day. So anyway, spoiler alert, I went with the Panchitos. I do have to say, Misty from the VW store, I talked to her for a long time. She's a super nice lady. If you guys want anything from VW store, she is a pleasure to speak with. She's down to earth. She's awesome. Sorry, Misty, I did not go with the EMPIs, but I thank you for all your time. Mark from CB Performance hooked me up with these. I had a little bit of work done to them. Gotta tell you, Mark from CB Performance is awesome too. He's been very helpful, and he's been there with me the whole way through this 1956 stroker build. Great advice, great guy, very knowledgeable, and he wants to share his knowledge with you and let you know what's going on and give you the best choices, and then let you go from there and figure out what you want to do. Great guy. So anyway, these are just superb. The casting on these things, it's just 1,000 times better. It's unreal. I had no idea that this was going to look like this. I mean, look at that. Super clean. Compared to the old one. And this is milled by Mofoco. I can't get over how nice these things look. And the combustion chamber, wow. Clean, smooth, done right. Awesome. So obviously I'm very happy with this purchase. They were not the cheapest thing in the world, but you know what? I figured if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it right. So I am super psyched to put these on the engine. So psyched, in fact, that I already did. So I dry fitted this just to get an idea, and they look great. I also bought this kit from CB Performance. I had to buy the linkage kit for my EMPI HPMX 40s, and I kind of got it teetering here. I got the linkage kit 90% put together. I just didn't put it on the other side yet. I didn't want to do all that. I want to be able to show you guys the comparison between these two. And now I am going to make this oil cooler exhaust come out a little bit further, probably about 2 or 3 inches, maybe. We'll see. That's my experiment. I could completely ditch it and just go back to stock. I don't know, but I'm gonna make that out of metal, and I'm gonna test it. And then from there, it's tin time. Start putting tins on. Start modifying them. Probably gonna do industrial tins to get that air to come out of the bottom here real nice. So I got lots of work to do, and the metal work I enjoy doing. So I'm psyched. I finally got a base to go off of, and I'm stoked. This is going to be fun. We're getting there.